Hey guys, been a while, but this is the Apollo Phantom V4X. I know we got a lot of e-bike stuff, but they're pretty fun. So this one's two 1200-watt motors, 66 kilometers an hour, and yeah, I think it's gonna be fast. Let's open it up. Okay, opening it up. Let's see. Looks like from China. Oh no, Apollo Phantom.
Sir, Canadian.
Oh, what does it say there? 52 volt, 60 volt. Oh, it is a 52 volt, 23 amp hour battery. That's blessed. So you have a lot of range.
Yeah, it should be good
You
amount.
got 23 amp hour battery and a scooter. Damn.
I guess you have to flip,
That
you
looks
have to flip, You
sick.
have to flip the box, eh?
Yeah.
You can get it out.
Yeah, maybe we'll cut it down the sides or
No, I was
something.
thinking just flip it.
Oh,
like,
flip it?
just
Okay.
like-
Oh, that's the bottom of it? You think that's the bottom of the scooter?
Honestly, I don't know.
Could be.
We'll find out.
And then just lift it up, yeah. Oh, Lee, damn. That looks really good. Holy. Okay, cut those straps. Damn, the box, presentation-wise, pretty good, eh?
Looks pretty good.
It shows you how it's gonna look, too. Like, that's crazy. If we can get that, I'm happy. If we can get what's on the box, I'm down. Damn, I can't lie. The presentation is crazy.
Yeah, the box.
Like, nobody really puts in this much effort.
I mean, the ones that, they come from China and stuff.
Not the Chinese, you know? I mean, this is probably Chinese, but with the branding.
There you go. That's what matters.
Ooh. Holy. Look at those shocks, man. That's crazy.
This thing is a unit.
This thing's a unit. You better read this thing.
Yeah, get out of here.
Alright, throw that shit on. Oh, okay. We gotta put the handlebars on. This sucks.
Okay,
Oh, we gotta take everything out. I think this whole styrofoam gotta come out.
I saw one guy.
No problem.
Oh my
Holy.
damn.
Dang. It's heavy, eh?
Yeah. It's alright.
Whoa. Look at that board. Look at the grip on it, man. Like it's not like a regular material. Like it feels like rubbery.
Yeah, it's got good grip. You won't slip.
Look at the brakes. That looks crazy.
Look at the
Quad
tires
suspension,
even.
apparently. Yeah, this is the X technically.
V4X.
V4X, so it doesn't need.
What are they?
They don't pop basically. Like you can.
self-healing.
Self-healing.
tires. Yeah.
Bro, look at the mud flap. That's some engineering there.
Yeah.
That looks sick.
Yeah, everything's
I'm jealous.
everything's loose, so we're gonna have to tighten everything up.
Whoa, look at the display.
How does the handlebar go?
Damn.
Oh, you gotta loosen this and put the handlebar in there, I think.
Do we?
Behind this.
Yeah.
Through here.
Oh yeah. Oh, shit. Do you have Allen keys?
Yeah. I got something.
Okay, I'll hold this.
For the kickstand.
Oh, it's got a kickstand. Perfect.
Hell yeah. Ooh,
That's
thing's
it.
a beast.
That thing's a beast. Like once we get this thing
Yeah.
started, maybe while it's putting on the handlebars, we could charge it.
Charge it, eh?
Just
Yeah.
for the little extra boost.
Yeah, just to get some.
Let's find the charger.
Okay.
Can we move it in the garage?
Yeah, I'm gonna open the garage. Yeah. Yeah. Open that up.
Damn, that's the power cable, power charger.
This is the charger, but I think
That's
this is
it?
like
Nah.
this is like a toolkit.
No
So
way. It's
actually,
gotta
I
be.
might
in
not
there.
have. I might not have to pull out anything. I think everything should be in here.
No way.
yeah.
Even brake pads they give you?
They give
New
you
bolts?
four sets
A new
of brake
tube?
pads. 4 sets of brake pads. Not bad, eh?
Whoa, look at the
Valve
tools.
tubes.
Special
Two tubes.
tools.
I guess
Special
this is
tools,
a
too.
tire inflator. Yeah, a tire.
Man, that is cool.
That's cool, actually. That is real cool. What is this? Extra bolts? I
Yeah.
think they give you extra
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 stuff.
of one of each.
Oh,
or
what is
something.
this? Oh, is that a charger? That's the rest of your charger. Yep. There you go.
There she is.
Use this.
There she is.
And that's for that, and that goes there.
There you
Oh,
go.
same type of charger as my e-bike.
No way.
Exact same
3
charger.
prongs or
Yeah. So it's definitely packing.
Alright.
That means this thing is definitely ready to go.
There's some power, bud.
Definitely. That's pretty cool, yeah. They do a check for you. They show you the serial number, what worked. Looks like everything works. Better, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Better.
Oh yeah. You undo the zip tie, then you plug those in,
Mm.
and then put the bar on first. That's it. I guess forget charging it, cause.
What's that?
I guess forget charging it, cause I don't know. There's no plug-in, right?
No, there's a wall plug-in. I can.
I'm trying to plug it in.
Alright, there we go. Then you can
Yeah, they're
tighten-
both the same
tighten
ports,
this,
right?
Tighten this up, and then it just keeps it in. Nice. Yeah, they're the same port.
Look at that. Get the close up.
Okay, there we go. How do we? Oh, it's charging. Yeah, it's red. Okay, nice.
Okay. So it's charging. That's good. Gonna get us extra power to grip it. Look at the display. Can't wait to see that.
Okay, I'm gonna screw the screen off right now.
And now, okay, let's see that. Yeah. Ooh, satisfying.
Clean. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, how do we need it?
Okay. Owner's manual. They tell you how fast you're going. 6 kilometers an hour. 23 amp hour battery. 52 volt. Like my e-bike, Chinese e-bike, 72 volt. This is 52 volts. Like it's crazy.
E-scooter, 2 motors, 1200
Two 1200 watt, 10-inch tires. Let's see the rest. What were we looking for?
We need to learn how to figure out how to
Oh,
set
yeah.
this up.
We'll get right back.
I'm putting glass on so you can look at my face.
Wow. Really nice and tight. The handlebars are on. That's your only chance basically to adjust it. Final touches, you know, plug it in the red wire to the red one and the black one to the black one.
Yep, there you go.
Okay.
Just follow the
Rocket
arrows. Just,
science.
just follow the hole. Just, shove it in there.
It's in there.
There you go.
Okay, now I can turn. We're gonna take that
Good.
off.
Let's get this.
And then we're gonna power up.
Scissors.
We'll give her a quick on button.
There you go.
See what the display is saying. Oh. Whoa, I think it's ready to be. Oh, it says fully charged. I mean, like, the battery says not, but yeah. Like, the charger doesn't say it, but, like, this says it's fully charged. So let's unplug it.
Yeah.
It's enough to at least enjoy. Holy. Okay.
I guess this.
I don't know why the timer starts running all of a sudden, but it's like,
We can grab check the tire pressure.
it looks like it's good.
Should be air in the tires.
Okay. Break it in.
Okay, I think we should be good.
Check if the light works. And the horn.
Where is the horn? This is the.
Oh,
That's
that's
a
your
ring.
horn. That's a fucking
Oh,
ring. That's
come
pretty
on.
cheap.
Come on. You could have gave me a horn for $2,000. Seriously?
For real.
Okay.
What else?
What is this arrow?
Oh yeah, that's your signals? That's your signals. One's left signal, one's. Oh yeah, I can see it. You have big LEDs. Do it again. That's pretty sick. Yo, you can see that in the daytime. Like other scooters, you can't. That's actually really good. The brake light too. Okay, go for it. Okay, this guy's flying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. This guy's hauling. It's like a 30 speed limit, buddy. That's what happens when you don't get a e-scooter. It looks like it flies. Damn. Looks like it flies.
Fast, man. That thing is
Does it fly?
fast. Picks up magically.
Oof. That's pretty badass.
Okay, man. You should have thrown that in the video.
No.
Damn, you can't be to do that.
I can't clash the content.
Yeah, facts.
Damn. It looks like it